Solids first kept on VP. Question number 14. A square prism of base side 30 mm and height 50 mm has its axis inclined 35 degree to VP and has base edge on VP inclined at 45 degree to HP. Draw its projections. So this square prism is resting on one of its base edges on VP and its axis is inclined 35 degree to VP first and resting edge is inclined 45 degree to HP. So in this case, one edge is on VP is given. So the entire base can be kept on VP and the axis will be perpendicular to VP. So in that case, we will draw the front view of the square prism in that position. That's the square has to be drawn. And its dimension is 30 mm. One edge is 30 mm and the longer edge, the length of the square prism is 50 mm. That is given. Now, the next step, this solid has to be tilted so that the base will lift from the VP. Only the edge 3, 4 will be on VP. This can be considered to be XY line. And the axis will be drawn at an angle 35 degree. So for that, this angle has to be 55 degree. This edge has to be at an angle 55 degree so that this axis will make 35 degree with the XY line. So this top view is drawn same as that same as the previous top view. Now project upward so that you will get this front view. Projecting from 2 and projecting from 2 dash, you will get 2 dash here. Similarly, all other points are obtained and few edges are checked for visibility. 3, 4 edge for a person looking from this direction. 3, 4 edge is away from the observer. So 3, 4 edge is dotted. All other edges are visible. Now 3, 4 edge is the resting edge and that has to make 45 degree with HP. That means there is no change in size and shape of the figure. The same figure is straight on here. Only thing is that 3, 4 edge makes an angle 45 degree. The angle made by the 3, 4 edge with the XY line is 45 degree. Same figure redrawn and project downward to get the final top view. So from 2 dash you draw downward, from 2 draw rightward, you are getting 2. Similarly, all other points are obtained. The outer is drawn first and then all other edges, checking for visibility. In the case of 1, 2, 1, 2 is at the bottom. So for a person looking from the top, that won't be visible. 1, 4 also is at the bottom, not visible. 1A is also at the bottom side, so that won't be visible. These edges are all visible. So this is the solution of the problem.